good. All right, I'm gonna get a pour out. It'll be one of the last. I'm good with like maybe like 2 or 3.
Yeah, especially we gotta get good videos on the phone.
What's up?
I gotta get good video on my phone. Gotta document it.
So yeah, you know.
Hey, so like tomorrow we're gonna take the hope right?
That's the way it goes.
Ooh, I could. I got an interview at 5 though.
There, first day. I know.
So now you gotta come to
Wait, where's the
Where's
where's the Marin picture? Oh, forget it. What's up? Who is it? Yo, what's up? You want a cappuccino? You sure? It's past what?
No, I'll pass away.
Hey, I'm still around for a little bit, so.
Where's your GoPro?
Where is it? It's on my head.
Just in case it's the last day.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Good stuff. Cappy? Did you like one?
One cup of coffee today.
Anyone want a cappuccino? I'm quite proud of this one. Please enjoy, my friend. Please enjoy.
Drink it up.
So, you know, I love GoPros. I really do. Everyone should have one. All right.
You're recording.
Add some vanilla.
Dude, you don't even need a flavor. The Bailey's on its own is like really good. I'm telling you. Because it's like Irish cream
I'm
flavor.
splitting this up between Franco. I hope I'm not being crazy irresponsible.
I don't think so, man.
Tell me one, right?
Yeah, please.
I just got
Alright, you could turn it off. Department into sprinkler fittings. North Jersey. So I work with like fire systems now, like fire sprinklers. Mainly warehouses.
How you feeling?
It's like I've worked to get into that union for like 2 years. Oh, wow. The carpenters, they let me in on like one phone call. Oh yeah. So I was like doing that at the meantime, like always waiting for other phone calls. And I finally got it in May, or like April. Nice. So I've been in. It's good.
Is my blue picture over there?
I'm the fireman before the firemen arrive. That's how I think about it.
You're like preventative here.
Yeah, exactly. Yes.
Oh, there it is. The Park Coffee Bar picture.
Well, the airport.
Gotta have it.
I have some really cool videos from that time. That's a cool thing. That's why I like about working in this area. It's like I just go somewhere new, like almost every day. I see all these weird warehouses man down like South Brunswick, all the time. Like, dude, some of these warehouses, like there's one down there where it's called like it's warehouse, and it's where they seize a lot of illegal stuff in customs. So a lot of
Yo, I want to work there.
Like JFK.
Ooh, we're going for the big one.
North, they go there. They sit
Yeah, grab one of the another milk.
Dude, like they had all like.
I'm just gonna use one of these.
Word. Oh yeah, but I mean we're out of milk from that 1
Bro, who
gallon.
knows what they're sneaking like into countries and that shit? You know what I'm saying? Like that's crazy. From all different countries. Yeah, like this. Like I saw like an old wooden pinball machine. Yeah, I saw that.
That ain't bad.
It's never cool.
Definitely not bad. Could have been done better.
I say you do one more.
I think I should do one more.
My last one ever.
Here we go.
Ever?
At Boho.
At Boho.
Maybe never. I might never go again.
Really?
Dude.
No, you can't say
Bro,
that.
you're telling. Well, we're not. You think you can bring the machine to water?
It depends on the power setup. If there's no power, then I'm just gonna bring cold
Don't
brew.
have to. I'm telling you.
You guys want to go to a disc golf tournament?
Yeah, dude. Come through.
Sure, yeah, depending when and where.
August 4th, Grace no Lord. Yeah, that's
All right, I think this will be the final one, and of course it's got to be with the Marin pitcher.
Oh man, maybe we should both do one more.
No pressure, of course. If you guys got things to do, I appreciate you coming out to say hey regardless. I wish I could offer you more coffee, but I don't want you to be so jittered out. So yeah.
There's this poem. It's like to love something is to want to freeze it. But when you freeze it, it becomes like a perversion of it.
It's true.
So it's okay. You just gotta
Exactly, bro.
drink one more coffee.
There we go. There we go. Boom.
One more.
Alright, come on. I gotta
That's
get
not
one
bad,
more
that's not
after
bad.
that, bro.
That's not bad. That's
Nah,
not
I can't
bad.
let you let me finish like that.
All right, I'd be okay with that.
Nice.
That's not bad.